ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. Myself M.E. Tubji, HOD, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, SJPN Trust, Polytechnic, Nidsoshi. Second semester Electronics and Communication Engineering course, Basics of Semiconductor Devices. Unit 1, Introduction to Semiconductor Devices. Now we are discussing about the question bank questions along with answers. Question number 19. State properties of semiconductors. Now we are discussing the properties of semiconductors. An atom consists of a positively charged nucleus around which negatively charged electrons revolve in different circular orbits. The electrons can revolve around the nucleus only in certain permitted orbits. That is, orbits in certain radii are allowed. The electrons in each permitted orbit have a certain fixed amount of energy. The larger the orbit, the greater is the energy of electrons. If an electron is given additional energy, it is lifted to higher orbit. The atom is said to be in a state of excitation. This state does not last long because electron soon falls back to the original lower orbit. As it falls, it gives back the acquired energy in the form of heat, light, or other radiations. Next question. Distinguish between conductor, semiconductor, and insulator. Conductors easily conducts electrical current. Semiconductors conduct the electric current less than conductor and greater than insulator. Insulators does not conduct any current. Conductors has only one valency electron in its outermost orbit. Semiconductors has 4 valency electron in its outermost orbit. Insulators has 8 valency electron in its outermost orbit. Conductors formed using metallic bonding. Semiconductors are formed due to covalent bonding. Insulators are formed due to ionic bonding. Conductors, valence and conduction bands are overlapped. Semiconductors, valence and conduction bands are separated by forbidden energy gap of 1.1 eV. Insulators, valency and conduction bands are separated by forbidden energy gap of 6 to 10 eV. Conductors, resistance is very small. Semiconductors, resistance is high. Insulators, resistance is very high. Conductors, it has positive temperature coefficient. Semiconductors, it has negative temperature coefficient. Insulators, it has negative temperature coefficient. Conductors, examples copper, aluminum, etc. Semiconductors, examples silicon, germanium, etc. Insulators, examples mica, paper, etc. Next question. List differences between N and P type semiconductor. In N type semiconductor, it is a donor type. P type semiconductor is acceptor type. In N type semiconductor, impurity atom is pentavalent. In P type semiconductor, impurity atom is trivalent. In N type semiconductor, electrons are majority carriers and holes are minority carriers. In P type semiconductor, Holes are majority carriers and electrons are the minority carriers. In n-type semiconductor has donor levels very close to conduction band. In p-type semiconductor has acceptor energy levels very close to valency band. In n-type semiconductor, the temperature is increased. These semiconductors can easily donate an electron from donor energy level to the conduction band. In p-type semiconductor, the temperature is increased. These electrons can easily accept an electron from valency band to donor energy level. Next question. Describe the formation of p-n junction, depletion region and potential barrier. Formation of p-n junction. The figure shows the p-n junction. When an atom p or n-type semiconductor donates one electron, it becomes positive ions. Similarly, when hole moves away from its parent atom, the atom becomes negative ion. Depletion region. We know that electrons are the majority charge carriers in n-type and holes are majority carriers in p-type semiconductor. Because of the difference in concentration at the separation of two regions, diffusion of electrons and holes takes place. A thin depletion region is set up on both sides of the junction and so called depletion region because it is depleted of free charge carriers. Its width is about 1 micrometer. Barrier potential. After the diffusion of holes and electrons across the junction, the fixed ions are present at the junction. Because of this, an electric potential difference across the depletion layer is called barrier potential VB. This barrier exists even when no external voltage is applied. This barrier potential stops further flow of carriers across the junction. At room temperature, the barrier potential of 0.3 volt for germanium and 0.7 volt for silicon. Next question. List the specifications of a p-n junction diode. Forward voltage at a specified current and temperature. Maximum forward current at a specified temperature. Reverse saturation current at a specified voltage and temperature. Reverse voltage rating PIV or PRV or VBR at a specified temperature. Maximum power dissipation at a specified temperature. Capacitance levels. Reverse recovery time. Operating temperature range. Next question. List differences between intrinsic semiconductor and extrinsic semiconductor. In intrinsic semiconductor, the semiconductor in a pure form is called intrinsic semiconductor. Extrinsic semiconductor, semiconductor which are doped with impurity is called extrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor, here the charge carriers are produced only due to thermal agitation. In extrinsic semiconductor, here the change carriers are produced due to impurities and may also be produced due to thermal agitation. In intrinsic semiconductor, they have low electrical conductivity. In extrinsic semiconductor, they have high electrical conductivity. In intrinsic semiconductor, they have low operating temperature. In extrinsic semiconductor, they have high operating temperature. In intrinsic semiconductor at 0K, Fermi level exactly lies between conduction band and valency band. An extrinsic semiconductor at 0K Fermi level exactly lies closer to conduction band in n-type semiconductor and lies near valency band in p-type semiconductor. The examples of intrinsic semiconductor: silicon, germanium, etc. The examples of extrinsic semiconductor: silicon and germanium doped with Al, In, P, As, etc. Thank you.